Hi YouTube, how you're doing? Welcome back to my channel. If you're new here, you are mostly welcome, and if you're an old subscriber, thank you so much for checking me out again. As you guys can see in the title today, it is a Fashion Nova haul. We got some denim, we got some maxi dress, and we got some bodysuits. So if you want to see what your girl got from Fashion Nova, why don't you stay tuned and keep on watching. Alright guys, the first one I got, it is this black one right here. This is from their Luxe line. I do have a couple of outfits from them that I will be hauling for you guys next after this one. So yeah, this is their Luxe line. Really nice bandage material outfit. I got this in a medium, and it is called Audrey Bandage Body Dress BB050 black medium. So it did say Nova Luxe. You guys can see right there, it said Nova Luxe. It is one of their luxury, quote-unquote luxury line that they have going on, and it's pretty good though. I got a couple of, like I said, I got a couple of outfits from them, and it's been pretty good so far. So yeah, I got this black bodysuit. This also coming in orange. I just bought the black one to see how the material is going to be before I order for the other one. So I'm definitely going to order for the orange one. So this is really cute. It does have this unnecessary this thing right here. I don't think it's necessary, but they put it there, so we're gonna wear it like that. If you want and it's not doing anything for you, you can just cut it off. So I don't think it's not holding your chest, it's not tight or anything. It's very loose on top, so it's literally doing nothing. And it does come with this nice beautiful v-neck over here with your cleavage and a crisscross, something that gives you a nice beautiful cinch waist. The back is open. You guys will see it in the video right over here. The back is pretty open. So yeah, it has a snap at the bottom. This, like I said, is their Luxe line. So baby, you gotta dress this up. They have some really nice pants, so you could go ahead and get some of their pants and dress it up with this. This is really cute. It does also have this one little band back here. So yeah, it is cute. It doesn't have a zipper. I just stepped into it literally because it does have quite, you know, a lot of gift to it, so I just went ahead and stepped right into it. So it's pretty good, really nice, really cute. Alright guys, this next one that I'm gonna show you guys, it is this two bodysuit right over here. It is just a regular bodysuit, but they are cute. I got one in a green, in a hunter green, and this is called the Catch Me Offline bodysuit in a hunter color, size small. Really size down in this. It does have a lot of gift to it. It's really nice, really cute. It does have this nice beautiful v-neck. Let's try and fix this real quick. Okay, it does have this v-neck right over here, and it also has some ruching right here. It has this nice beautiful thingy right here that gives you a nice beautiful cinch waist right over there. It also have a snap right at the bottom and a long sleeve. I know you're probably not gonna be able to wear this right now during the summer, but for fall, for fall and spring, this will be a very good outfit to wear. Really cute, really nice. It does come with a tapered hand right over there. So cute. Wear a nice bodysuit, a nice stack necklace with this, and you should be able to go. And this color is called Rust. It's a nice rust material right here. Really cute, nice color. Rust color right over here. Same way, same one with the green one. Really cute. You guys will see it on the screen. Also come with a snapped bottom right over there. These two are one of a staple you should have in your closet. If you are in an area where the weather is not as hot as it is here in Texas, because literally we've been like 100, the highest we've gotten now is 110. Literally yesterday it was 110, and I'm not even sure. Let me see what today is. Saying today we're gonna be at 100 degrees at a low of 74. So it's been pretty hot. So yeah, I will wear this. I wouldn't mind wearing this, but it just wear with a nice like a, what do you call it, a wide leg pants Really cute. Wear slippers with it, a nice fedora hat or not, like on my hair curled right here. You can do that also. And go meet your girl out, put a nice shade on, and you are good to go out and meet your girls out for brunch. Okay guys, the next one I got is this nice, sexy looking bodysuit right here. And this is called the Chain to My Bodysuit. Chain to You Bodysuit. Because it has this chain right over there. And I got it in a medium, and this is a copper color. The color is called copper. It is cute. It is nice. It's a little bit big on me. I got it in a medium, like I told you guys. A small will be great on me. Will fit me better. And then the cup is meant for people with like tiny little titties, that your titty will just pop in here and it will fit you and you'll be good to go. I think that's the kind of titties they put for this, so I'm not sure. My breast stayed in it, but I just feel like there's extra space in here, that, you know, if you have a big titties, it might fit it much better, and if you have tiny titties, it might fit it. But me, that I'm in between titties, okay, it didn't fill it up the way I would like it to be filled out, but it's good. Next time, if I have to order another color, I'll probably get a small in this, but it is cute. It is sheer all over right here. You guys can see my finger through it and my ring through it. It is pretty much sheer. And then the back is open, and it has the iron hook thingy right over here at the back. The back is pretty open. You guys, with this jumpsuit, I tried it on with the red skirt. That red skirt is from Shein, so don't pay attention to the red skirt. Just what I'm showing you guys is more of the top part. So look at the top. That's what I was showing you guys. So yeah, this is cute, and it does come with an adjustable strap over here on the back. You make it tight, you make it loose as much as you want. This is really, really cute. I like it. I like the sexiness of it. And it's not full coverage. It's more of a, not thong, but not full coverage either. So if you understand what I'm saying. So yeah, this is cute. I really like it, and I really love it. I rock it. I wear this with a nice tight leggings and a nice blazer on top of it. So yeah, this will be a cute like evening outfit with your boo or with your friends out on a what they call it, on a rooftop, partying, having fun, enjoying yourself. This is what you need. Okay, y'all, the only one dress, right? Yeah, this is the only one dress that I have. Only one dress that I have from that I ordered this time. You guys probably saw it on my haul, on my, what do you call it, on my vlog when I traveled. I wore this dress. This was the dress that I wore for my last night over there, to go have fun, to go enjoy myself and all that good stuff. So it is pretty long. It's a maxi dress. And if you want, you could dress this up. I ain't even gonna lie. You could really dress this outfit up and wear a nice heel, go to a wedding with this. This would be cute. But the thing about it, if you go to a wedding, this joint is pretty open. So if you gotta wear it to anywhere classy, try and sew it on the side. Like, give it a length you want, sew it or pin it, you know, something like that. And the back is a V-neck, and it has this little thingy right over here. Really cute. It's a marble, I think that's what I'm gonna call it, like a tie-dye marble kind of print on it. Really cute. Nice cleavage. You're gonna be looking snatched. This little detail of tie right over here is also on it. It does come with an adjustable strap over there. Like I told you guys, it is very long, very long, with a good, it's a good material. It's like a, it's not silk, but it feels silky. So let's see, it is 96% polyester and 4% spandex. They lie on the spandex part, because there is no spandexing anything on this joint. There is nothing stretchy, because I don't know what the spandex is. I don't see no spandex. This should not lie. You should just say 100% polyester, because there ain't no spandex. Nothing stretchy on this joint at all. But okay, yeah, this is the only one dress that I have on this haul, but it is really cute. You guys don't. Okay guys, I have 4 denim that I have to show you guys: a romper, a jumpsuit, and 2 crop tops. So the first one that I have, this is not actually a crop top. The other one is a crop top. This is a nice, beautiful denim. I've been stalking this jacket like forever. Okay, anytime I try to buy it, it's either there's a small or extra small or 1X or 2X. and I didn't know if it was gonna have any stretch to it. A small would have fit me to the T on this outfit because it has what they call give. It is very stretchy. It is very cute, really nice. I know we cannot wear this right now, okay, but there are other states and other countries that watches me and they are very cold, so this is cute. You could dress this up or dress this down. It is long sleeve. It has this extra. They don't know we extra here on this channel, so don't act like you don't know. Don't act like you don't know that we extra over here, and anything extra we be doing it over here. Okay, so so it has this extra shoulder, really cute on both sides. It has a zipper going down, and it has this peplum, a flare out right here on the waist. Really cute, really nice. The back is pretty plain. It has this nice, beautiful, I don't know what they call it. It like gives you the illusion of a tiny waist. You feel me? That's what this one gives. Really cute, really nice. I enjoy this. It has, like I told you guys, it has like mad stretch. So I said size down, one size down. If I have my choice, I get this in a small. But I like it in a medium because it gets all the way down to my wrist. So that kind of helped it right there. Really cute, really nice. I ain't even got no bracelet, no watch, no nothing on my wrist today. Anyway, but yeah, really cute, really nice. And this is called Denim Queen Peplum jacket in medium wash, size medium. Really nice, really cute. They don't know everything I have. I'm gonna link them in the description box for you guys to go shop. Okay guys, the next one is this crop jacket right over here. This is a denim, black. This is a black denim. I'm pulling it back for you guys so you guys can see it. So it's a black denim, really cute, really nice. It's like they cut it right over here on the front part. Really cute. It does have buttons going down on it, and it does come with a functional 2 pocket right over here. The arm, it's a little bit short on me. You guys will see it on the insert. I got this in a small. It is called Sweet Desire Denim Jacket in the color black, size small. I have to get it in a small because if I got it in a large, it would be just too big. But because I got it in a small, it's not as long, but it's still okay. If I want, I'll just take the button up, like roll it up, maybe 1 or 2. But I don't think that's gonna look cute though. Yeah, I don't think that's gonna look cute. I just leave it like that. It's not uncomfortable. So yeah, it does come with a collar. The back right here is scrunchy and it has elastic. So yeah, the back is pretty simple. We all know what a crop jacket looks like. Really nice, really cute. Don't you think? Okay guys, the next one I got is a romper, and this right here fit me like it was made for me. I'm just letting you know, it was made for me. Like, you just can't tell me anything that this romper is not made for me. It fit me just the way it's supposed to fit me. Like, beautiful. It might not look like nothing right now on my hand, but when you guys see it on the insert, you guys will understand what I'm saying. Really cute. It does come curved right here at the back. It gives you a nice little cinching in right there. It comes with buttons right here, and it does also have a belt loop. So if you want to wear a belt with this, you can go ahead and do it. The sleeve, baby, it's very poofy and really cute. Gives it some character. You feel me? And it does come with a collar. You can pop the collar up, like pop it up right there like that, so like so. And this is what the back looks like. Really cute, really nice romper. And it has a button right here on the arm area. It's like a quarter sleeve. I think it got here on me. So that's what this is. And it is called Not Your Girl Denim Romper in a medium wash, size medium. So I say stay your size in this, especially if you have butt and hips like me. Stay your size. I am 5'5". I'm very curvy. I will put my measurement in the description box, and if it's not on the screen, it will be in the description box, so go ahead and check that out. So yeah, this is really cute. It is plunge. It has a plunge neck, so you could do some stacked necklace. Nice beautiful stiletto or nice lace up heels will go perfectly well with this. Really cute, really nice. I love me this. I wish I had a pocket at the back though, but we're gonna make this work. We can make this. Okay, guys, the last thing I have, it is this jumpsuit right over here. You guys will see this jumpsuit, and I can't zip it up on top. I maybe zip it up at the bottom, but I can't zip it up on top because my lips are a little bit short, and the zipper is a little bit hard to pull up because I chipped a couple of nails trying to zip it up. I even told my son to help me zip it up, and he can't zip it up because it's a little child. He don't know how to do stuff. So, and there's nobody else here with me. So yeah, it is this romper right over here. Really cute, really nice. The extra part is right over here. It does have a cutout on both sides. You guys will see it in the video. It does have cutout on the side. Very stretchy, guys. Stay your size in this. I love the way it stretches. But to be honest, the top part they should add extra stretch to the top part because the bottom really nice, really cute, stretch really well, but the top part is not as stretchy as the bottom is, so you can zip it up. You gotta ask somebody to help you zip it up. So okay, so the bottom comes with its own zipper right over there, and what I love more about this is the fact that it has pockets at the back. Really cute pockets too. It does come with a zipper. Does come with a zipper. This zipper goes up and down smoothly. Better than this one. I don't think it's the same zipper because yeah, it's definitely not. Is it? It's the same zipper, but you just need somebody to help you zip it up. So this is what the top part, half part of it is looking like. It does have like a bustier situation. It does have like a bustier situation going on over there, and it does have a strap right over here. It's non-adjustable, so it is what it is. Really cute, really nice. It does also have a functional pocket on the sides and on the back. It's really cute. It is a wide leg pant, so you could wear heels with this one, like a short, I think a short tiny heels, like those 3-inch or 2.5-inch heels would go well. I don't have any of that in my closets. My heels are from 4.5, 5.5, so yeah, but that will work pretty well with this. I like my pants to cover my heels, so yeah, but this is really cute. I like the wash and everything. And this is called this is called Most Desired Denim Jumpsuit, light wash, size medium. So yeah, this is what this one is looking like. Really cute though. I really like it. I just wish I found somebody to wear. Whenever I wear it, I'm gonna get somebody to help me button it up. So yeah, so I won't be over there struggling like T-Rex. So you feel me? Alright guys, that brings us to the end of this Fashion Nova haul. If you guys watch it all the way to the end, you guys are the real MVP. Everything that I have today would definitely be linked in the description box. If I have any coupon code, I'll also put it there for you guys. Don't forget to check out my description box. Alright guys, until next time, remember to live your life like no one is watching. Because what? Because God got your back. Mwah.